Okay, Google, tell me about my day.
Hi, you've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. Currently in Pune it's 79 degrees and cloudy. Today, there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 79 and a low of 72. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also turn on lights, start coffee, play music, play a podcast, and more. To customize your good morning routine, take a look at routine settings in the Google Home app. Have a good day. Here's the latest news. From Reuters TV, US, at 2:02 p.m. today.
Here are your top stories brought to you by Fidelity Wealth Management.
Families gather to remember their loved ones 20 years after 9/11.
Okay, Google,
The FBI released.
stop.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Okay, Google, find my phone.
I can help by making your Xiaomi Redmi S2 ring on full volume right away. Would you like me to do that?
Yes.
Okay, your Xiaomi Redmi S2 should be ringing now.
Okay, Google, play Ed Sheeran's Perfect.
Perfect by Ed Sheeran, sure. Playing on Ghana.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in.
Okay, Google, stop.
Okay, Google, 12 table.
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. On the website byju's.com, they say, table of 12 is as follows. 12 times 1 equals 12, 12 times 2 equals 24, 12 times 3 equals 36, 12 times 4 equals 48, 12 times 5 equals 60, 12 times 6 equals 72, 12 times 7 equals 84, 12 times 8 equals 96, 12 times 9 equals 108, 12 times 20 equals 120.
Okay, Google, what's 7 square?
7 square is 49.
Okay, Google, who's the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Okay, Google, today's weather.
Today in Pune, there will be thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 79 and a low of 72. Right now it's 79 degrees and cloudy. You're about to completely reset this device. To cancel, release the button.